The previous handle lever broke. First thing you're going to want to do is locate the chain here, and you can see it's clipped onto the stem. Unless your stem is broken, you're going to unclip it. Notate where the chain connected. Sometimes the connection is further down the link. This one's about 2 links down, sometimes it's all the way down in the middle. And note where it's connected on the stem. You can use 2 different tools, pliers, adjustable, somewhere around there, or an adjustable wrench. You'll see another ring just like this. Take your new ring, adjust your pliers so it's nice and snug around it. You go on the inside, take your adjustable wrench, which is already adjusted to the size. These are reverse threads, so you get a lock on it, and you go to the right to loosen it. Remember that the pressure is squeezing these two together. Therefore, you look at it from the angle of the back of the toilet looking towards the front. So this time you would turn it to the right, which is reverse the typical, in order to loosen it. Typically you tighten things to the right and loosen them to the left. Take the nut, slide it off the stem, slide out the stem. This is about $7 at Home Depot, and they're universal, and you can see this one slides up at whatever angle your toilet is, although I've not seen one that's not the front angle. You're going to take your new one, feed it through. Once it's fed through, you can see it's sort of square and fits in there like a peg. Take your nut, feed it back on, and this time you're going to go to the left. You're going to go this way. Now, I realize when you're looking at the camera, I'm actually turning it to the right, but remember, you got to face the angle of the pressure, so the pressure is going to squeeze in the handle. So that's in, finger tight. Take your tool, line it up. You don't need to put much force on this at all. These can always be readjusted over time. Make sure you got a nice solid grip on it. Right there, that's just till it's snug. Remember, it's plastic, you don't have to do that too hard. Test it, looks good. What you can do is hold this one up to the length it was. So if this old one was right here, I'll look on the new one and it's the same position. I'm going to use that same hole. Take your chain and reconnect it in the position it was in. This one is not the end, but it was right here when I measured it to the other one. Should be good to go. This will remain a little loose. While you're in here, you can also adjust the spray, and you can also adjust the length and throw if you want, but for now, that's how you change that. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.